counting the message, then automatically money followed by colon, then 12 is a representation. Means money is a key, this is a key, this is value. Key value pair. Again, comma separator, I told you, dictionaries or lists or tuples, we can separate it by commas. Comma, tissues, colon. How many are there? 3 tissues, 3, the value. Then comma, then, so candy, colon, 75. See here, what I am saying is, this is dictionaries are like a bags, there is no order. This is for list order. Here, there is no order. Right? So then, this is what? Now, I can show you in the program. One of ECE girl already completed 64 levels. She got 64 levels. She is Laharika. So then she got 64 levels in Code Tantra. So maybe this week she will completing entire Code Tantra of Python. Right? She is asking me. This is the question yesterday night. So then I can give her to the hint. So how to do the process? She can complete it today morning, sir. I got the answer. She said. Just now another she asked me another question. So I will do and I will give you the answer. I said, sir, I will try it in the meanwhile. So once you finish your class, then let me know. She said, right? So then please try to understand. If you are completing the C programming, you can directly jump to the Python program and you can complete it. Right now. Okay, temporary. See. Okay. Now I am showing empty dictionary. Some dict is equals to, right? So we are indicating dictum. Print dict. See now, what output will come? This is Amazon. Sorry, this is for Anaconda. Nanai. This is Anaconda. Previous I told you PyCharm, right? So see, empty set it will be shown, right? I have gone through that empty set. So this is for empty set. How many ways to create our set? How many ways to create our set? Right? Now, am I listening here, everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, I want to put some values. See, here I can show you name, colon, followed by name representation string. So you can put double quotes or single quotes. Rama. Right? See now. Run a call. You'll get the answer. Name colon Rama. Right? Again, I want to put age colon 23. See now. Name Rama, age 23. For example, if I am showing you again age colon 27. So what output will come? See, this is mutable. Mutable means content can be changed. So then name Rama, age 27, because the previous age 23 is replaced to 27. You got my point? Understood the concept? So wherever the mutable things are there, so immediately that would be change. Even list is mutable, tuple will not. That is what. So in the tuple, in the mixed data type, so once you assign any mutable data is available in the given tuple, we can assign. Rest of that, no. No. See, I can show you. For example, see, here we are using tuple, TUP is equals to tuple indication, this one, right? So 1 comma some list, 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, then comma, then 7 comma 8 comma 9. So here mixed tuple. So in that 1 comma 1 is a string. Sorry, 1 is a integer, means number. So here this is for indication list. This is indication list. This is for 7, 8, 9. So I want to change the data. So simple tuple of, so then 0 location, 1 location, 2 location, 2 of 2 of 0 is equals to some 10, means 2 of 0, what is the value? 7. 7 replace 10. See what kind of answer will come? See, tuple of 574. Tuple object is does not support item assignment, because which is a tuple. Tuple means immutable thing. Simple. 1 of 0. 1 of 0. See, you can assign, you can change. See, the output will be there. What output will come? Print TUP. Now you'll get the answer. See, the 2 is replaced to 10, yes or no? Because list is mutable, but your data type is a tuple. But inside the data type, so you are using the list values, list are tuple, sorry, list are mutable. Then you can assign the value. Understand? Here, dictionary is also mutable content, means content can be modified, right? So that is the reason I'm addressing in this concept. Okay. Now, then another one. So here we are changing, means these operations. Okay. Now, see, I want to print of dict of the name. See, what output will come? Rama. Because you are asking only the key. The representation name will be displayed on your screen. Right? So then, next, for example, if you want age, see, the representation of this one will be displayed on your screen. Understand? So this is what the display. So you are interacting with the key. The appropriate value will be displayed on your screen. Okay, again come back. Next. So comparing list and dictionaries. So here we are comparing, both are immutable things. How the list will be developed, how the dictionary will be developing. So then dictionaries are like lists. except that they are used keys instead of numbers to look up values, right? So here LST is equals to list of empty set. LST dot append method I told you. Append means at the last will be existing in the given list. Extend, which is also last. So print list 21 comma 183, that will be displayed. List of 0 23, because so you can convert. So list of 0 is equals to, you can directly assign 23. Previous 21 is available. Now 23 comma 183, because changing, so which is mutable, then automatically change the values. So here triple D is equal to dict, means empty set, empty dictionary. So DDD of years is equals to some 21. DDD of course is equals to 182. Print DDD, then display course colon 182 comma age colon 21. So there is no order here. Randomly it will be displayed. So then print DDD, then automatically course 182 age 21 will be displayed on your screen. Right? So then next. See, list is equals to list. List dot append. List dot append. Then here what I am saying is, what observing is, dictionary key value pane. Keys are like age, course. So values are some representation of course 183, age 21. Right? Next, dictionary literals means like a constants. So dictionary literals use curly braces and have list of key value pairs. List of key value pairs. An empty dictionary using empty curly braces. Empty curly braces only. I already shown. Next, many counters with a dictionary. A common use of a dictionary is counting how often we see something. Like triple C is equals to dict of, means only empty dictionary. Next, triple C of CSEV is equals to 1. Triple C of CWEN. Triple C is your dictionary name. So you are putting now CSEV is the key, is equal to appropriate, 1 is the value. CWEN is a key, 1 is the value. Now print C. So then CSEV colon 1, CWEN colon 1, which is displayed on your screen, because that entered data is